Hello.
Hey guys.
Welcome back. So we've had a very exciting delivery.
We have, yes.
So you'll probably know from the title of the video. I don't know what I've titled the video yet, but it probably has it in there.
Probably, yes.
So what have you got, John?
So I bought myself the new Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, and the AI smart glasses. I'm super excited, and I thought I'd give you a quick unboxing for you guys.
Yeah, so we love a gadget. We haven't had a new gadget in a little while, and John's been eyeing these up. So we thought we'd show you what's in the box, and then just a quick overview of like what you get, how they feel, an immediate reaction.
Absolutely. So I wanted a new pair of sunglasses for the summer, and I thought, well, why not give these a go? I haven't. It's really difficult to see them in person. Curry's
in the UK, it is.
Yeah, Curry's in the UK. There's some with them on display, but not many. I thought you'd unbox them and see what they feel and look like.
Okay, so
I've done a lot of research, a lot of videos, so I think I've ordered the right ones. So we'll give this a go.
Okay.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I love this bit.
Oh, it's not a good one.
No, sorry. Okay. They came really, really quick, to be fair.
Yeah,
wow.
we ordered them Sunday and it's now Tuesday. We ordered them late on Sunday as well.
We did, yeah.
Oh, that's not aesthetic, John.
No, here we go. Okay, right. Come on, Em. What we got?
It says the next generation of smart glasses.
Yeah, what I just opened and... Okay. So, the Ray-Ban Meta.
So you went for the Wayfarer ones.
I did, and I think it's really cool actually because on the Ray-Ban website, you can see what they look like to your face, and the Wayfarer ones I think suit me the most.
Mm-hmm.
Went for the Wayfarer ones.
I like the box.
It reminds me a lot like a iPhone box.
Yeah.
Just like that design. So that's obviously the main part. What else is there? So we got what's that?
Oh, that's the instructions.
Just the battery links. Just having those batteries in them.
How to... Oh, if you're returning them. Okay, so you probably want to keep that.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Okay, so here we go.
So I don't know if we said these are the Gen 2.
They are.
Obviously, there's the Gen 1. Ooh. So it comes with... It looks like a charging case.
Yeah, hopefully. Because I didn't buy one, so I hope it comes.
Oh, you opened the box wrong.
I have. There's a tear there. I'm never going to make it big unboxing stuff. There you go. Isn't that easier? There we go. How to make
What, is she called iJustine?
Yeah.
She would never.
No, she's got camera above it,
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. It opens up like
a flat lay.
Yeah, that's really cool. So you've got the case and a cleaning cloth, it looks like. So yeah, first impressions, the case are really nice. Really nice soft leather. That's really cool, isn't it? Look at that.
Okay. I like this. So you charge them in. Oh, it's the same charging port as my iPhone.
And it says scan to get started. So I guess we will scan that and download the Metro app. Scan to get started.
Okay. What's in there?
I think that's a cleaning cloth.
Okay.
1 moment, please.
We'll get an unboxer out of him.
I think iJustine's pretty safe. Yeah, just a cleaning cloth.
Just a cleaning cloth. Do you want to show the actual glasses?
What else is there? Okay, get started. Instructions. Okay.
Okay, it's the warranty. The
Okay.
warranty, and then...
So that's the bottom bits.
And
yeah.
if you want a prescription.
Okay. So you can go to Boots, I think, Salem, opticians, and you can get your prescription in then. But it's a longer wait, and I don't need prescription. So yeah, the normal sunglasses was fine for me. Right, here we go. Okay, so I went for the transitioning lenses because I wanted to wear them indoors as well.
Look at the light on the front of the case, it's flashing.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Okay.
One moment, please. Here we are. Yeah, so okay, Emma said I went for the Wayfair ones, and in the sunlight they will go dark grey, I think. In the daytime or indoors they'll be like that. Yeah, how amazing, Ray-Ban's sort of logo there.
We went for the matte rather than the shiny
Yeah.
as well. I think that was quite a good choice.
You know what? They're not as thick as I thought they was going to be, actually. What's really cool, because I was imagining that that's going to be
Yeah.
was going to be really, really thick, but that's not, actually. So, it done something. That's cool. So yeah, that's what they look like on my face. And we got to download stuff and get them going.
Yeah, so shall we do that?
I think so. Yeah, come on then.
Okay, we're on the setup stage now.
Yeah.
There's a Meta app.
Yeah, so just download that to my phone. 1 moment, please. That's just downloading.
I like the just while that's downloading, they do a shiny option.
Yeah.
Or a matte, and we weren't sure, but
I'm really happy I went for matte, I think.
Yeah.
I think matte was, the shiny one looks really good, but it'd be so horrible to keep clean.
Yeah.
They're all greasy sun lotions and stuff, and sweat and that, I think it would look grimy.
So it's got a button at the top there.
Yeah.
Obviously, when we have had them a couple of weeks, we'll come back and we'll do our thoughts or whatever. You can see the camera just there and there.
Let's have a feelings. So that's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, actually. Yeah, that's a lot smaller. I love the branding as well. You got your Ray-Bans in a lens, and you won't be able to see that. You got Ray-Bans in a lens. So we got a flashy blue light on the phone bit there. I don't know what that means yet.
I think it's Bluetooth in, isn't it?
That could be, yeah. So I went for the standard size.
Yeah.
There's a standard size and a large size. And the reason why I decided to go for these smart glasses, one of the reasons, I wanted a new pair of sunglasses anyway, but I think their live translate, talking to a different language, looks amazing. And obviously the AI features in them, what I've obviously done a bit of research, just looks incredible. So yeah, two birds, one stone sort of thing. And like Emma said, we'll do a video once I've got used to them a bit.
Gosh, that's easy, isn't
That's
it?
so
If that's
easy.
worked.
I can't wait. I've done so long research on these, like unhealthy amount, so many videos.
Okay, we need to add our Wi-Fi.
Okay, 1 moment,
It's
please.
not our Wi-Fi. Need to pick the correct Wi-Fi for a start.
So I'm intrigued because I went traditional. I'm not sure how they're going to be in the car, because obviously you got UV windscreen. So I'm not sure how traditional they will be in the car, but yeah, I'll let you know that as well.
Learning the basics. Put on your glasses.
Put on my sunglasses. Okay.
Or regular glasses for now.
For now, yes. Making noises.
Glasses on.
Okay, yeah.
Press the capture button once.
That one.
On your,
Okay.
That's how you take a photo.
And it took a tick. Yes.
Press and hold the capture button to record.
Okay. Should a light come on? Yeah. Light on.
Yeah, on this one, do you see that?
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
To stop recording, press the capture button again.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like a little training session. Maybe a
yeah,
bit.
play music. That's cool.
It's crazy
That's
because I can't hear
amazing.
that at all.
And it's not in your ear. It's so clear.
And
I've
then
never
adjusts
had
the volume.
like I know it was obviously a thing. There's the I don't know if I'm shouting.
You are a little.
I've never had the earphones with
Yeah.
not in your ear, but that's really clear.
Okay, adjust the volume by swiping where you were. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool. Can you hear that?
I can hear it now, yeah.
That's how loud it goes.
Oh my gosh,
Can you hear that?
yeah.
Can you,
Pause the music by tapping the touchpad.
so that's mid range. Can you hear that?
Yeah. Not really. Well done. That's the basics. Okay, it's just had us connect to Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
His phone is taking a little while.
Yeah.
And then there's another little training course to do.
It's really cool how it goes done.
Well, it's not done.
Well, no. That bit was
That
done.
was it. Yeah.
It's so easy though. Really easy. It's just like setting up your phone. You
Yeah.
know, it's a new phone.
What do they feel like quality-wise?
They're really good actually. Really comfortable. I also went for the higher bridge. What was that? The different size. The
I think
bridge
they do
ones?
hybrid or
And it recommended to if your bridge of your nose was higher than your pupils, measurement wise. So I did that, and it's quite comfortable actually.
I mean, I think they're just a standard.
And yeah, if you know, my sister might have a problem overhanging because she's always had a problem with glasses, but these fit quite nice. Actually.
Yeah. So they were being completely transparent. We are struggling to connect the phone bit.
The bougie bit.
Yeah, it's probably me, but it doesn't seem to want to do that at all.
No, for some weird reason. It is flashed in
Yeah.
blue.
But it's telling me to do the settings,
All
and then
done.
that's done, and it's still not liking it. I'm sure it's something easy to figure out, but out of the box,
Yeah.
That is frustration. But everything else worked with like a click of a button.
Yeah.
So I'm sure.
But it's still not
Yeah.
liking
To
it.
continue with all the instructions.
So we just have to charge them. So we taking a pause, have a bit of tea, and come back to them.
We're so used to everything coming with charge that we were like, why is this not working? Yeah, we're going to come back to it. Okay, we've got most of the setup done now.
Yeah, so we came back to it.
Oh, let me just start that.
We just came back to it. Basically, it was our fault. It was out of battery, basically. So, yeah, we just charged them, had a bit of dinner, went back to it, and it's working really, really well. So we just started Live Translate, I thought was really cool. Emma is really good at talking French.
No, I'm not.
Well, far better than I am. So, yeah, Emma just been talking French and been translating it to me. What's amazing. So now I'm going to start talking English back to translate to French.
How does that work?
I think I've got to talk to your phone and then it plays back to you in...
Oh, no, you talk to the glass.
I talk to your phone and it plays, I think.
No, you speak with the glasses on.
Okay.
Okay, so look, it's going to tell me what he's saying. So he's going to speak English, and we're going to get it in French.
Salut, je m'appelle John.
I have a dog called Louis.
J'ai un chien appelé Louis.
Look, it's pulling it up so I can read it or listen.
Do you know your direction to the train station?
Avez-vous besoin d'un itinéraire vers la gare?
Well, John could never.
That's fantastic. Honestly, that's amazing. I love that, and you can do it offline as well. So
Yeah.
you didn't have to have Wi-Fi or internet connection for it. You download the language. Amazing. That's incredible.
Yeah. So I think we have finished setting it up.
Yeah.
We're gonna give it a week or so to have a play and for John to get used to them.
I already love them. They're amazing. They're awesome. Yeah, money well spent at the moment. But yeah, we'll come back to you after a week or so using them. But yeah, I'm well impressed with them at the moment.
Yeah, so thanks for watching this little unboxing. Let us know, do you have a pair? Are you interested in a pair?
Absolutely,
What are your thoughts on them? Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.